Hi, Robin with Oxy-Dry. And as you can see, I'm now doing the post vacuuming grooming, and the carpet's looking more amazing. It's almost dry, so. And one thing to remember about this is I'm not post vacuuming because I'm trying to remove my encapsulating cleaner, because it's not happening. It's how do I say it now? That's not the purpose of the post vacuuming. It'll remove any particulates or debris that might have been picked up in the cleaning process, and it grooms and straightens out the fibers and makes the carpet look nicer finished and all. But the purpose isn't to remove the encapsulator. That's going to take repeated cleanings anyway, repeated vacuuming. And besides, it hasn't been sitting long enough to. I wouldn't think it is. It isn't fully dried yet anyway. It's still very slightly damp. And most of the actual soil has been removed from by the pads, and that's the thing. Although I'm using an encapsulating cleaner, I'm not encapsulating the carpet. That's not the way that this works. The SETT method, soil extraction transfer technology, isn't the same as encapsulating, which isn't actually removing anything. And true encapsulating cleaning is you apply your cleaning solution, and then you just, whether it be like often a Silex is used for commercial work, you could use a rotary or a C or a B for residential, and you apply your cleaning solution, and there's no actual attempt to remove any soil other than particulate matter. But the oily, sticky, visible soils are encapsulated in the cleaner, and then subsequent vacuuming is when that is removed. Whereas if you're watching the series of videos, this will be the third one for this job, I removed virtually all the soil in the actual cleaning process with the pad. I transferred it out. Soil extraction transfer technology is what I used. And you saw the soil be removed from the carpet fiber, all the visible soils removed in the cleaning process. I just happened to use an encapsulating cleaner. And it gives the added advantage that after the fact, vacuuming that happens afterwards will continue to remove soil from the carpet that is encapsulated in the cleaner. So it's just kind of a added benefit or bonus, I guess you could say, to this process, that the actual cleaning that I do hasn't finished when I leave. The customer, next time they vacuum their carpet, will continue to remove soil that's releasing in the encapsulated cleaner that remains, which is a non-residual, neutral pH, anti-resoiling encapsulator. Anyway, I think I'll let you go. You can see how this has turned out just beautiful. All the spots and stains have come out, no problem. And I'll just finish off the vacuuming and then groom the steps, and I'm done. On to the next one. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.